Christmas, and somewhere on the boat.
And the captain was pouring some grog down his throat.
This Christmas would be stress-free, no way it'd be tense.
Because on his boat he'd smartly chosen Actisense.
He could sit and enjoy his new marine toys,
improving on some of the gear he deploys.
As the new toys happily played with the old.
Thanks to 0183-2000 data conversion, worth its weight in gold.
Long before the days of rules on the bus.
Boaters would grumble and groan and fuss.
and so, in giving thanks, the captain's starting to say,
"Heaven to them good folks at the NMEA."
As the cabin was adorned with tinsel and festive hoops.
His kit was avoiding the scourge of ground loops, thanks to something Actisense had made in preparation.
Their clever isodrive giving opto isolation.
Now, as the captain sat and sipped on his festive elixir,
he spared a thought for his trusty multiplexer.
Shining 5 dockers all day long.
With 2 listeners to hear their NMEA song.
With his festive journey drawing near the final page.
His engine data flowed from every analog gauge.
And as he sat and wondered how to get his data from boat to the cloud.
"Aha! Wi-Fi!" he exclaimed, feeling a bit clever and a bit proud.
And so finally, as the captain pulled into dock,
with sounds of jingle bells and a bit of festive rock.
With the moon glistening, he tipped his glass towards the light.
Happy Christmas to all, and to all a good night.